you trying to become an excellent homemaker? Then this video is definitely for you. Hi, my name is Sebi. My channel is all about mom life, cleaning and organizing tips, topics related to kids as well as some motivational talks. Every homemaker wants their work to be perfect and get appreciated by their family members. Here are some tips to become an efficient homemaker. Point number 1, peaceful morning. It is always important to start your day with positivity. Spirituality is a great way of positivity. Hence, make sure that you start your day with prayers. Meditation needs to be included if you don't believe in spirituality. Another great mistake of most of new homemakers is that they sleep until their family is awake. This habit can make your mornings stressful. Hence, always make sure to become an early riser. If you are struggling to become a morning person, then I have done a video on this topic. The link of that video will be shown above on the card as well as in the description box. Point number 2, exercise. As you have acquired a mental peace through prayers or meditation, now it's time for physical well-being. Include exercise into your daily routine. It is not compulsory to have all those fancy gym equipments. Do things that you enjoy and also choose methods that are easily accessible. You can include dancing, skipping, climbing the stairs and other exercises that don't require equipments. Only a physically fit body can stay energetic throughout the day. Point number 3, replace perfection with happiness. Most of the homemakers want each and every things need to be perfect in home. I'm not saying that it is a bad idea, but never replace happiness for perfection. For instance, toddler is playing with toys. It creates a lots of memorable moments as well as toys clutter. Always try to focus on our kids' happiness first rather than clutter. We can organize the toys later on. Do not burden yourself to keep your home perfect. Point number 4, budget and finances. As a homemaker, we need to be aware of the income coming in and expenses going out. Hence, we need to maintain a good budget so that in the long run some amount of saving is possible. Most of us homemakers do not stay updated on current affairs as we consider it as men's area. But according to my option, staying updated by watching news either on TV or mobile phone or reading a newspaper is very important, as this helps in preparing your monthly budget. Nowadays, many news apps are available on your mobile phone. You don't need to find a separate time for reading news. Instead, just play it on while you are working. Point number 5, eat healthy. I have mentioned in many of my previous videos to have a meal plan. A well-prepared meal plan helps to make healthier choices. A healthy diet helps to keep us energetic to carry out our homemaking task. Most of the housewives think that why to put the leftovers in the dustbin, instead they eat it themselves. Overeating negatively affects our health. Do not feel guilty to serve the leftover foods on next day to your family, as it reduces the nutritional value of the food. But always make sure that the leftovers are not served after keeping for long in fridge, as it reduces the nutritional value of the food. Point number 6, allocate a day for yourself. Most of us homemakers feel guilty to stay away from homemaking duties, but it is okay. You can spend a day without cooking. You can have dinner from outside, or your husband can take over the kitchen. You can make an appointment with the beauty parlor or watch your favorite series. A day off makes you stress-free and improves your efficiency for the upcoming days. Point number 7, allocate time for household chores. rather than spending hours and hours to do your household chores and end up having no time for yourself and family is a bad idea. For instance, I combine breakfast and lunch preparation together as well as tea and dinner preparation together. This divides my day into two halves and also gives time in between. Also, make a proper schedule so that you don't need to do all the tasks in every single day. You can make your task more interesting by listening to music, talking to your family or friends, etc. You should definitely apply these tips in your daily life and comment below if it works for you or not. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Stay happy, stay safe, bye bye.